Good morning, Instagram. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, Twitter. How's everybody feeling today? Today is the 19th of June. We got a bank holiday for the United States dollar. So I am going to be focusing primarily on pound yen today. But as I say that though, it's like somehow gold still be volatile, which is very interesting to see. I mean, gold's catching a nasty support right there. So maybe we trade it, right? We do gotta be careful of this level here. And if anybody can let me know too, like if anybody hears me on the stream, if you could tell me if my voice sounds really quiet or if it sounds good enough. Because I feel like it might sound really quiet, but I'm not too sure. Alright, so we got a daily bearish and a 4-hour bearish candle. So in this regard, even though we are making a support right here, I am going to look to get a retracement sell play. So with gold, if we start forming a resistance around 1953, I'll go ahead and take the sell back down to retest these lows here at 1948. Thing is, we just got to wait and be patient. So as of right now, you know, it seems like price is pushing up. And we'll see how much price wants to push up. Ooh. So we got a bearish daily, bearish 4-hour. Zoom Tech, what's up, buddy? What's up? How you doing today, man? You're definitely a new face around here, bro. So if you can hear me all right, let me know. I got a new mic, so I'm just kind of trying to see how my mic sounds. If I sound too low, please let me know. But if my voice sounds good and you can hear me just fine, I appreciate you letting me know. But what's going on, Zoom Tech? Definitely a new face seeing you around here, bro. I don't know if you've tapped in my streams before, but if you haven't, welcome. Okay, bro, I appreciate you letting me know. So right now, a pound yen, guys, you know, the overall kind of bias here would definitely be sell positions, but I'm waiting right now. Even if this position does break below past this support, I'm still not too sure how I feel about taking a sell here because we do have a previous resistance right here and the support is just so close, and this is only like a 15 pip range. So I don't know, like, even though it's not a bank holiday, it just seems hey, bro, well, good deal, bro. I appreciate you tuning back in, bro. You know what I'm saying? Thank you so much, bro. I appreciate that, man. Yeah, Zoom Tech. Okay, bro. Maybe you got a new name or something like that. But either way, bro, if I haven't heard from you, bro, I'm gonna appreciate you tapping in and you know, giving your comments down now. And if you trade too, bro, I would love to have you in my Discord, and you can go ahead and post your charts too whenever you make a trade, bro. But yeah, so if I'm looking at this, I mean, this is like a 15, 16 pip range. Usually you like to have about a 25 to 30 pip range for it to really have a nice breakout. But as of right now, it's very little, so I feel like this sell position, if this candle did close how it is, it's just a little risky. You know, I don't know how I feel about entering it. And then gold has definitely done its thing. It's blown up. Don't want to take no buy positions on this support simply because I feel like we can potentially go ahead and make a retracement play right here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, man, I love to hear it, bro. Yeah, as long as you trade, bro, that's a good thing, bro. You know, get your experience and shit. It's all that matters. About 2 weeks ago, I had kind of a really rough week on my stream. I took, you know, 2 positions. It would hit full stop loss pretty quick. It was a pretty rough week of the past 2 weeks. The last week actually was pretty good. Got myself in a better position. Definitely managed my risk perfectly. Took a lot. Took good times when I took profit, and whenever I did lose a position, it was much less than my loss. So last week went very well for me. Looking to implement the same type of structure. Here's my Discord, my guy. Let me show you real quick. So this is my Discord right here, buddy. So we got my boy Golden right here. He taps in a lot on the stream, and he goes ahead. He put his analysis in, and he also puts his charts when he does make a play. So very, very cool. I'm glad he's over here with us, giving us some analysis here. Like, he's got analysis here for gold. Basically waiting for a retracement play. So me and Golden have like the same idea here. London session. We got Asian session here too. This goes to anybody trades Asian session, and then for swing trades. So yeah, I basically got it all lined up so that everybody can have their own little spot to post their analysis. Generally, my analysis and everything's gonna be posted here in New York session, obviously because I trade New York session. But yeah, Sumtech, bro. If you follow me on Instagram, just DM me on my Instagram. For some reason, every time I try and pull up the link, since I am live, it's like it doesn't let me show the link for some reason. I don't know why. So honestly, guys, right here, I'd like to wait for a retracement play. I'm gonna go ahead and put that down. But yeah, Zoom Tech, bro, I got you, bro. 100%. I want you to be in my Discord. If you definitely trade and hit trades, I would love for you to, you know, go ahead and post your analysis and stuff like that. It's always going to be helpful. Basically, my stream is revolved around an amateur trader trying to become an amateur trader to a professional trader. Beautiful, bro. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Whenever my stream ends, I'll go ahead and send you that link too, so don't worry about it. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Appreciate that, bro. If there's anybody else that tunes in and watches me or anything like that, feel free to give some comments there. And, you know, I don't want you guys to feel shy and, like, not want to say anything on here or anything like that. I want everybody to kind of just, you know, show up and see what's good. And thank you so much, bro. I'm just trying to stay transparent within this Forex game. You know, I want to show all my losses, show all my profits. I don't care about the lot size. I could care less if anybody's like, bro, you know what I'm saying? You only made like 25 bucks, 20 bucks on a trade. To me, it's about the pips and consistency. And when it all falls in line, the money will all come to itself. I mean, the byproduct of becoming consistent in these Forex markets is money. But the thing is, if you just only think about the money, it's just real tough. You know, it's tough to deal with drawdown psychology, a whole bunch of things, you know? It could just make it difficult. But either way, I appreciate you letting me know that, bro. And it's always good to hear from you, man. And, you know, anybody else that's new here, let's all just kind of communicate and all get in together, you know? So I was kind of expecting maybe the price maybe to move up here and then we start creating a bearish candle. But so far, it seems that we have created a bearish candle as of right now. That doesn't mean anything because it's 25 minutes to this candle. We could easily just be making a liquidity wick for a bullish candle to keep pushing up. But as of right now, you know, if it holds like this, we will see. Yeah, 100%, bro. You know, money, knowledge is power, and you got to be knowledgeable and have a good understanding of what the hell you're doing here. Don't want to be taking trades off fear. Don't want to be taking trades off FOMO. I want to be taking trades off analysis and logic. I know. But yeah, Zoom Tech, 100% right, bro. I was looking at this, the same thing. It is a bank holiday, especially for the United States dollar. I definitely was well aware of that. I look back at gold though, and in the moment being, it was pushed up quite a bit. Obviously, that's New York Open. New York Open is going to give you volume, so not very unexpected that this candle would be so volatile. But at the same time, since we have pushed up quite a bit, I wouldn't mind taking a sell back down to retest these lows here. Depending on our stop loss, it'll depend and see, like, obviously if we close somewhere around here, you know, we could maybe look to secure about 260 pips realistically. That's definitely a realistic target. The thing is, I got to make sure my take profit is much bigger than my stop loss, because my stop loss would have to be around safely about 13 pips, right? If it closed about where it's at right now, hypothetically. Then I have a 25 pip take profit. So that would make sense. The thing is, I gotta wait for this candle though first. We got 22 minutes. Who knows if this candle even closes bearish at this point? Could easily close bullish. So it's best just to stay patient. I'm gonna take a look at pound yen. Pound yen is now trading down. Kind of has been trading down a little bit. This candle did break the lows, so could have been a relative profitable position here. Let's take a look at our stop loss. So stop loss, tight ass aggressive stop loss. I mean, 10 pips, right? That's pretty impressive. So if I had a 10 pip stop loss, you definitely would take profit between 10 pips or more. This, from where this is at now, it is only exhausted 7.8. So it would be a little rough, and we're now retracing back. So this is kind of the problem with trying to trade with a range that's so tiny. This range is very, very little, not very big at all, maybe 15 pips. So at the most, maybe 20, right? That's not terrible, but definitely you would like to look at 25 and 30 pip ranges. 25 and 30 pip ranges, generally speaking, when they break out like this candle did break below the support, but since it's such a tight range, you know, it's not gonna, price isn't really gonna respect the fact that it has broken the low and would like to, you know, continue down to this next low here. So currently best to just kind of chill back, stay out of it. That's exactly what I'm doing. Not looking to get in a play. If I was in a play, you guys would see it over here on my MetaTrader. If there's anybody that's new today, MetaTrader's on the left and Trading View's on the right. Trading View on the right here is solely for and only meant for marking up the charts. I could mark up the charts here on my MT5, but personally, bro, I'm really shitty at marking up my charts on here, and you know, I gotta get better at marking up my charts over here. Hey, that's my boy right there, Golden, man. Hella good to see you, bro. Always puts a big smile on my face when I see you, bro. I love the analysis you got posted in the chart, bro. We pretty much have the same analysis when it comes down to pound yen, bro. Or not pound yen, excuse me. Gold. Wait for a retracement play. It may be on this candle, right? We will see, but I definitely want to look to see how much it has pushed up. It's about 200 pips. Or excuse me, about 20 pips. And then we got about 20. Okay, so that's perfect. It's looking pretty good. But yeah, Golden, bro. Great to see you, bro. Oh, bro, that's good to hear, bro. Hey, I love the fact you said that, bro, because I was nervous. I was nervous that my mic was fucked up. I did get a new mic. It's a Bose one, bro. No cap, it's actually expensive, bro. I haven't bought a new mic, bro. The mic that I had before that you guys see me with, those Hyper X's, bro. I've had those for like, dog, since like too long, bro. Like over 10 years, bro. Over 10 years. And I feel like I started noticing problems a little bit. Just like with the mic. I feel like it was always kind of quiet here and there. But at the same time, I mean, audio-wise, like, they still worked fine. Like, to be honest, they were actually a really good headset, to be honest. I just wanted to get a new headset, and I splurged a little bit, but I wanted to at least get a good mic. But yeah, Bose is fire as fuck. I love Bose. I actually got a Bose, this is like a, what's it called, a Bluetooth speaker. Yo, this Bose speaker, this thing is tough. Like, you could have a little party for sure. Like, if you are grilling with the family, or you grilling, making some food, you could easily throw on some slaps on there. It'd be cool. Yeah, the HyperX, bro, they're good too, bro. No cap, they're good. Plantronics headset. Oh, bro, bet. Hey, I'm gonna definitely let you know, because I'm still, I guess you could say, I'm like in a trial thing with these Bose headsets. I'm trying to see how they are. I got the Bose QC20s. They're pretty good. I do like them quite a bit. But, yeah, man. I'm definitely down for all options. The Plantronics headsets, I'm going to have to take that out. Let's take a look at that right now, actually. Yeah, bro, they look tough, bro. Oh, see, that is dope. That is pretty dope. I can't lie. Pretty sure this mic does pick up other outside noises. That is cool, though. Yeah, they don't look too bad at all. Steel Series, I'm looking to cop one. Steel Series. Is that Plantronics Steel Series? Or is just Steel Series its own brand? Oh yeah, it's its own brand. I ain't gonna lie, these look crazy. Crazy as in like these look like they'd be really good. But to be honest, bro, I feel like I've seen these headsets before, bro. And it was this dude named Wait I'm Cheating, and he plays Tarkov. And I saw him play. I could have sworn I saw him playing with like they were like silver though. Huh. Yeah, bro. To be honest, I thought I saw one. He had like it looked like metal. He looks like he has like it looks like metal instead of black or white. But I'm pretty sure, bro, these are the same headsets as one dude named Wait I'm Cheating uses. Yeah, Loki, I think they are. They look something like that. Yeah, I don't know if you've seen the dude Wait I'm Cheating, but he's actually fucking cold as fuck. He's like really good. Yeah, it looks nice, bro. No cap. Both of the headsets look really good. The Plantronics and the Steel Series both look really good. It's definitely good to see both you guys though, Sumtech and Golden, bro. Appreciate you guys on the comments, bro. 100%. And hey, just to update my boy Witty Wicks. My boy Witty Wicks, he's just trying to get himself in a better environment to trade. He's definitely been with it. It's just recently he has been, you know, just trying to get his environment straight with in regards to his trading ability. You know, he's been very busy in the morning time, so being busy, it's hard to focus on trading. So he's kind of been chilling back a bit. But either way, he just gave me an update the other day, and you know, a lot of love and respect to my boy. You know, he always taps into my stream. He's, you know, what I'm saying, he's about trading 100%. So, you know, there's no worries behind that. But he will be back soon. A little bit. When I say back, just being more active. You know, he's been a little less active, but it's not like a big deal. Woody Wicks will be easily back. All right, so this retracement play relatively starting to play out. Uh, 15-minute definitely closed. Personally, I just want to wait for that 30-minute. I want to wait for that 30-minute. This doesn't look terrible though. I can't say it looks terrible, but I don't know. Part of me kind of wants to enter off the 30 or the 15, but it's a lot more risky. I will say that. It doesn't look bad though, to be honest. Part of me might enter it, even though it is coming back up. It's kind of more of a fire entry relatively. So probably look to get into this. Yeah, bro, 100%, bro. Hey, I agree with you, bro. I had my series. I had my like a moment too, bro. Golden. You know, I would play the video game too, bro. I still play the video game here every once in a while. To be honest, I can't lie and be like I don't. But I could say I definitely played it a little bit more than what I would have, you know. And there's a certain point I realized, like, look, if I'm in a game for like 3 hours, I better make sure that I'm studying my market fluidity videos, you know, or anything that you study. Like we got a guy here that he studies ICT, right? That's all well and good. I study the SRC, so you know everybody has their own little person they learn from, which is all well and fine. As long as you're a profitable trader, that's all that matters, right? So at the end of the day, whoever you learn from, it's great. But I just started telling myself, like, hold on, look, if I'm gonna spend an hour or 2 hours on the game, I better make sure that I'm studying at least three. You know what I'm saying? Getting more study time than I am playing a game. You know, playing a game doesn't do you shit. And I like your fucking idea, Golden. It's definitely, yeah. It's not the move. I'd rather have this skill set down 100% and be like better off and have more money and then play a game. You know what I'm saying? Rather than, you know, not being exactly where I want to be in life and play a game. You know, it's just like, it's okay, right? But it is funny though, bro. I can't lie, bro. The game's fun, bro. And the games that I did like playing at the time is the Escape from Tarkov, Squad, and shit was obviously Call of Duty. Call of Duty is always fun. But that's because all the homies got Call of Duty. You know what I'm saying? All the homies got the Warzone 2.0. And I think what the I feel like what would be like so fun about video games though is be like that little goofy moment when you just trying to like say the homie and shit. Like the homie goes down and you're trying to pop out and shoot that dude. It's like something about that's always fun when you clutch that up for your homie. It's always like hell yeah. Yeah, I was gonna enter that 15 minute, but what's really stopped me entering that 15 minute here, guys, is definitely this hourly candle. We're still very bullish. We got 11 minutes left, and at this point, honestly, guys, entering that 15 minutes is gonna be much more risky, just because we still got a bullish hourly candle. So good thing we didn't end up entering off that 15 minute. It will be good to see if we can get a nice close here. This is not too bad, really. I still think I'd enter off something like this, but you know, it's close to flipping bullish. So we'll see. We got 10 minutes left. We'll see if it still can give us that retracement play. But yeah, I don't know. Tech, if you still in the chat, bro. If you still in the chat, I do not have the ICT, bro, but I believe I've heard of it. If that is a like a learning platform. I'm with the SRC. Yeah, and there you go. Now it's bullish. It's honestly not too surprising, being the fact that we have that very, very, very bullish hourly candle. So if we keep trading up, we might be able to keep trading up to about that level I'm looking at, which would be definitely around here. 1953. It would be more reasonable, honestly. I feel like the retracement play right there seemed really early, but if it presented itself, I was ready to take the risk. But this seems a little bit more probable. You know, we keep pushing up. We got to do a little bit more waiting. You know, probably around NYSE maybe is when we probably start to enter these positions or whatever. Ooh. See a pound yen's. Ooh. Thank goodness we stay away from pound yen. Yeah, this range is not very effective. Hold on, my boy. I'm about to read what you guys saying here. I feel you got some real stuff you about to be saying. I can spend my time. Yeah, yeah, no, yeah, bro. Just like you said, bro, 100%. I definitely agree with that. Um, I feel like there are times whenever I take a winning trade, and when I take a winning trade and I've got my experience, I put the time and the effort, the hours in, you know, waiting around, viewing live candles, testing analysis, you know, using my logic, and trying to learn ultimately. After all that, there's a certain point I can't lie. You know, I do like to, you know, at the end of the night, I'd say about 8 o'clock at my time, Central Time, you know, 8 p.m. I'll tap into the game for a bit, maybe like 2 hours till like 10 o'clock. You know what I'm saying? Check the markets, go to bed. You know what I'm saying? Wake up in the morning and get ready to trade again. And it's also nice too because as a butcher, once I have everything cut at my work, if I work an 11 to 7, it's really nice too because I can cut everything up. Once everything's cut up, all I got to do is pretty much take the packages, put them out in my case so that people can obviously buy them. But yeah, once I got all the meat cut, I'm pretty much chilling, and it's very, very beneficial because I get to be in a little office, and I can study. So I'm able to study my SRC videos. It's super helpful. Like for instance, I got my notebook right here. Like yesterday, I was just pretty much going over advanced technical concepts, like giving your trade a second chance, trying to understand like good moments to get into, you know, give your trade a second chance if you did take a loss. It's like, look, you know what I'm saying? This is just yesterday. I took some notes and stuff like that, but this is all to benefit my trading, and also to give better knowledge and provide a better value for the YouTube platform. I want to keep providing good knowledge for everybody, you know, to that it's like I can create profitable traders. You know, I want to be able to show a way how to become a profitable trader, but it takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of time, so I'm not too worried about that. You know, I know I'll be here for a while, so just gotta make these trades happen, and gotta keep studying and apply the knowledge. And that's the beautiful thing about these streams. I've been able to apply that knowledge quite a bit, you know. That's the beautiful thing about these streams. And not to mention another beautiful thing, which I never really fully, like, obviously it was always in the back of my head, you know, gaining subscribers and stuff like that. But I think more importantly is that I've gained certain subscribers, especially like Golden, and my boy Witty Wicks. You know, he's a homie in real life. So really good that we see him. But Golden, bro, like, you know what I'm saying? It's always nice as hell to see you tap in, bro. And you know, I feel like I got like, you know, like friends and shit. You know what I'm saying? To be honest, I got like friends within the Forex community, and I never really fully thought of like the YouTube stream would bring that aspect to me, you know. But like the more and more I'm getting to know you, Golden, and stuff like that. Like from you saying mate, I thought you was from the UK, but now I know you from India, and I think it's dope as fuck. Like I'm getting to know you a little bit more. You know what I'm saying? The game thing we talk about, but it's just dope, man. You know, it's just I never thought you have like a little connection with someone. Like, bro, I have no idea what you look like, anything, but it doesn't matter. The thing is, like, bro, we have like a good connection in regards to how we want to go about trading and how we take it seriously. And it's really good just to meet people with that same type of mindset. You know what I'm saying? And so I appreciate you, Golden, bro, for tapping in, bro, and tuning into the stream. And 100%, bro, your efforts on the charts, bro. You've been journaling like crazy, bro. You've been journaling really well. Bro, you young. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm telling you, bro, by the time you're like 2022, 20 or 2022, man, you're going to be a beast, bro. You know what I'm saying? For real. That's going to be a lot of years of experience. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. 100%, bro. Yes, I would like you to send that, bro. 100%. All right, guys, we have 3 minutes. Candle is pretty weak, but if it does close bearish, I'm not gonna lie, guys. I think I would like to take the sell, to be honest. We got a 4-hour bearish candle, and we got a daily bearish candle. You know, bias is more towards selling. Our opportunity to sell has relatively presented itself on the lower time frame. Bro, 100%, bro. Hey, I'm not gonna lie, dude. Like, when I do have more financial freedom, I'm taking a trip out to India, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm taking a trip out to India, bro. I would like to eat some of the food out there. I would like to, like, to be honest, I know we talked about this earlier, bro, and it sounds goofy as hell, but I would love to go into India and go to the wildlife. And, bro, I'm trying to see a wild tiger. Like, I feel like that'd be cool as fuck to be in one of those, like, Australian fucking stick shift cars and shit. And fucking just whip it out in the fucking wilderness in India. And see a wild tiger, bro. Obviously at a distance, you know what I'm saying? I wouldn't want to be close to it, but you know what I'm saying? I would just have to use the car as like the getaway, just in case shit hit the fan. At least I got the whip. Cause I can't lie, if I was in America and I knew there was tigers here, I'd probably be strapped up. Not that I would say I'd try and take out the tiger, just for self-defense purposes. I'd be a little nervous, but at the end of the day, I would never want to hurt the animal. The animal's beautiful. I just want to keep peace and keep good distance from it. But at the end of the day, bro, it's so beautiful, you know, the world in general, dog. And it's crazy that I'm just here in the United States, bro. Like, it's got beautiful nature itself, but at the end of the day, bro, like everywhere else in the world has its own like look, its own everything, bro. And it's crazy that the only thing that hinders me from doing any of those things is money. Like, you know, and that's why I'm here trading, because trading, I feel like, would be the outlet to do, you know, having that financial freedom. Oh, bro, hell yeah, bro. I definitely can agree to that. I could definitely agree to that. Just in general, bro, like, what's it called? Thailand has those crazy ass mountains, bro, that like are in the ocean, but they just like sprout up out of nowhere, and they're like in the ocean, bro. Like that shit would be beautiful as fuck. Like imagine taking like having like a yacht out there, bro. Like that'd be fucking dope. Riding a jet ski in Thailand around those big ass rocks or those like mountain things. Bro, and then you be seeing pictures on like China and shit. Like China's got some crazy ass places, bro. Like on top of like snow mountains, bro. It's like really beautiful scenery. Right. That's what it is. Bali, bro. The Bali, Thailand, bro. That shit's crazy, bro. Yeah, but that's why I love trading though. I honestly, because when you master trading, dude, there's like nothing can stop you. Like right now, for me, if I went to Bali, Thailand, if I went to India, if I went to anywhere, I know the back of my head would tell me, as I'm spending money in another country, I would be like, okay, there's a certain point, I gotta go back to the United States, bro, because I gotta get back to Kansas City, Missouri, to make some fucking money. You know what I'm saying? I hate that idea. I low key hate that concept. I hate thinking that that's how low key has to be. Like, I want it to be where I'm somewhere, I can be wherever and still be okay. Like, I basically want to be able to travel anywhere in the world and be able to make it my home. You know what I'm saying? Where if I was like, I want an Airbnb out here for like 2-3 weeks, fine. You know what I'm saying? And that's my bad on my geography. Now that explains on my geography right there. You know, it's not very good. So I'm thinking it's in fucking Thailand, right? But it's Indonesia. So 100% that's my bad, bro. Definitely made me sound stupid there. But yeah, the beautiful places in the world. Let's just say that, like Ireland too. That's another place that'd be dope as fuck to go see. Scotland and Ireland and stuff like that. Down by the mates, where the mates are at. I don't even know what Scotland people say. I don't think they say mate. I think they say something different. The Scotland accent is like 100% different from an Irish accent. You could easily tell. I saw this like meme and shit. It was like this little Scotland girl and her mom like was like recording her, and the girl was like, "It's fucking cold," or however they say it. It was just funny as fuck because she has like a baby voice and she has like that Scotland accent. It was funny as fuck. It's fucking cold. However they say that shit. I'm sounding Irish and it's not how it sounded. She sounded Scottish and it was funny as fuck. But bro, another thing too, as I travel, I just want to give the best example in regards to an American bro that just loves the world, dog. You know, I don't want to show no harm, no foul, no hatred. You know what I'm saying? Nothing like that. As long as I'm being respected, you feel me? I'm not gonna take disrespect though. I'm not just gonna get disrespect and be just let it be a pushover. You know what I'm saying? But at the end of the day, bro, when I travel, bro, I just want to give good vibes about that. You know, I want people to look at me and be like, "Oh, that's a cool ass American." I don't want them to be like, "Oh, that fucking stuck up American." Like that's not what I want to give it. You know what I'm saying? Especially traveling in different countries or something like that. You know, like if I'm in a rougher part of area, I don't want to be sitting there walking around with fucking diamond chains and shit like that. People are like, "This stuck up motherfucker." You know what I'm saying? But I feel like it's a suitable thing, you know what I'm saying? No matter where you are in the world, you know what I'm saying? Even in a third world country where it may be rougher than other parts, I feel like it's still appropriate to wear a suit. You know what I'm saying? I feel like a suit is not over the top. You know what I mean? If you're wearing a suit, at least you're about your business, you know? And I feel like there's plenty of people in third world countries that wear suits, you know? Obviously, depending on where you're at, certain spots is like, okay, what is this nigga doing with a suit over here? But it's all in regard. I wouldn't be wearing a suit for no damn reason. I'd wear a suit if I had a meeting in another country, something like that. Yeah, yeah. You see what I'm saying, though? With that bling, yeah, bro. I couldn't do that. That's a quick way to get my ass robbed. That's a quick way to get stuck up by the old knife in the back. He go, give me your shit, buddy. Trust me, at that point, I would not hesitate. I'd give him the shit. I'll fuck it. I'm not finna lose my life over no jewelry. But that's why you gotta be smarter than the average bear. You gotta know your surroundings. You can't be sitting there fucking rocking shit like that in an area where people will rob you for the littlest thing, like a fucking motor scooter. It's like, come on, bro. You gotta start thinking a little logically here. But a suit though, I feel like a suit's not too bad. I feel like a suit's not too bad. But I don't have very much life experience with that, so I could be 100% wrong. I could wear a suit and still get fucking robbed. And 100%, that's probably exactly what could happen. But regardless, I don't even like thinking like that. I feel like I give out good vibes. I feel like, what I'm saying? I feel like people would be like, hey, I fuck with this dude. But you know what I'm saying? Shit. Same person can say, I fuck with you, bro. But you can still be like, I fuck with you, bro. Give me your shit. So, hey, last thing I want to do though, never in my life, because I do love traveling. I want to travel a lot. I don't want to be scared to be like, oh, certain people, there could be like terrorists or cartels. Like, bro, I'm going wherever the fuck it may be. But if some shit happened, then that's when I have to react to it. But other than that, like, fuck it. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't give a fuck. I'm finna be wherever. Yeah, with that bling, he said, you know, I would go to Hawaii with her outfit. Hey, now you're right about that. Just a pant and a hat. I'm freaking weak, bro. Yeah, to be honest, bro, yeah, Hawaii is definitely the spot you'd be able to just like wear whatever the fuck you wanted to and not be too threatened. But let's be honest though, even Hawaii, bro, you can go to California, bro. California, bro, shit. California's popping, bro. It's got a bunch of freaking wealthy people, XYZ, but shit, your ass get robbed in the wrong spot, trust me. You will get lynched. You will get lynched. They will come for your shit, bro. It'd be like a 14-year-old kid too with a strap out in Cali. He'd be banging on you, bro. That'd be terrible though, I swear. 14-year-old kid trying to mug you, bro. Whew. Hey, to be honest though, yeah, Cali, bro, Hawaii, bro, a lot of spots like that, bro. There's around the whole world, like anywhere around a big city in a around the world, I'm sure you could dress a nice fit. I just know if I was in Mexico and shit though, hell nah, I ain't rocking no crazy ass fit. Shit, I'd maybe rock the crazy ass fit on the resort. That's about it. San Cabo Lucas or something like that, bro. But shit, somewhere else, I don't know about that. So with this candle not having a wick on top, I think it's giving me better confirmations that here soon we're gonna be start flipping bearish, which is perfectly fine. I mean, if it closed here at the 8:30 candle, that'd be really good. What about Iraq? Yeah, bro, I'm finna rock a big old trade out in Iraq. Nah, but you know what's funny about that, bro, is like, cause you know, I just don't know the geography too much, bro. In that Middle East, bro, you know what I mean? There's so many wealthy people out there, though. You know what I mean? At the same time, like obviously, like anywhere, bro, anywhere in the world, United States, everywhere, bro. There's always gonna be that shitty, like that really rough part of town. But you know what I'm saying? It's one of those things. It's like, yeah, what? Just thinking about that, it just sounds like you're gonna get robbed. To be honest, just rocking big ass chains in Iraq. It's just the way it sounds in English. I feel like that name just sounds like you finna get robbed. But at the end of the day, it's and the reason why that sounds bad now, cause Iraq got the whole like Chirac freaking AKA thing, and it's just like, you know what I'm saying? Obviously, I'm sure there's beautiful, like the nature out in Iraq, all that shit's probably beautiful. You know what I'm saying? Some desert areas, but it's probably got some beautiful sand dunes. But 100% though, I just want to show big respect as an American. You know, I want to travel anywhere in the world, get some good respect, give out good respect. You know what I'm saying? And ultimately, bro, I would like to enjoy the food of the people, bro. Even if I didn't like something, I would just make sure I got stuff in like little bits. I wouldn't get a fat ass plate because I don't want to be disrespectful. I want to get a fat ass plate of food, and I'm like, try one of it, and I'm like, oh, oh, I don't know about this. You know, that'd just be, you know, I want to give out respect, and I don't want to come off disrespectful. And if you can't speak their language, you know what I'm saying? It's hard to sound respectful, and you're going like, nah, I'm good after you just got a fat ass plate. So it's like, I would always get things in little portions. If I liked it a lot, I'm tapping in. But I would love to get that food though. In the East, man, I'm so weak. Hey, we got the whole everybody. I'm so weak. You stupid for that. He said don't go to Glasgow, the least hot area. What's up, Paul, bro? It's good to see you, my boy. Beautiful shorties out in the way east, man. Hey, he's not lying though. Them jasmines. Them jasmines. Clapstone. 17 minutes, guys. We got 17 minutes till this candle close. I want to see. I'm pretty sure gold, pound yen is actually still consolidated. Okay, it's starting now to start breaking down below. Like I said before, guys, this range is really, really tiny. It's like maybe 15, 20 pips. So even though it's the bank holiday in XYZ, I wanted to focus primarily on pound yen. I really just don't see gold. Like, there's been times gold on bank holidays, in certain bank holidays especially. This is not really the craziest bank holiday, so it's like, I'm sure there's still some volume and some momentum here with gold. But in regards to pound yen, dude, it's just like optimally, it's just not the best spot to trade in. I feel like it's just like we got supports and resistance relatively close. Like, if it broke to the top side, that'd be better. But honestly, it's like it's starting to break to the lower end. And since going to the downside, my only problem I have with it is the fact that, like, number one, it's like a 20 pip range. You'd really like to have something be more 25 to 30 pip on the range. It gives you better breakout moves. As you can see, this move did break below the support XYZ, but since it is such a low range, it didn't fully respect that execution, I guess you could say, off breaking them lows. Didn't want to retest these lows here. We are now starting to break below after we made a support, but we still have 15 minutes in this candle, so we got a lot of time before we can even make that assumption. But it's definitely in the back of my head. But the thing that I don't like about these sells here too is that fact that, we got a realistic take profit about 13 pips. That sounds fucking terrible, to be honest. That sounds absolutely terrible. We got a 12 pip stop loss, something like that, and then you're going to have a 13 pip take profit. Like, you're literally only going to have a 1-to-1 ratio. If that's even at close where it's closing now, we're probably going to have a bigger stop loss. We're going to have a bigger stop loss than the take profit. So at that point, it's definitely out the water. I'm not trading it. If I have to have a bigger stop loss than my first realistic take profit, it ain't worth it. There's better trades to be made, and I'm saving the capital. Now with this play, even though it is a bank holiday, I'm taking that fucking risk. This is looking good. This looks like a perfect retracement play. I was expecting the retracement to be relatively around this area, 1948.40, 100%. But fucking yeah, it's starting to make the retracement play right here. So if that's the case, I'm taking it. But yeah, man, Paul the fucking oil man. Paul the oil man. I see him with the connections. He's fucking hey, that shit's badass. I can't even lie, that shit is badass. So yeah, guys, just sometimes we gotta be patient, and it can be a little bit boring. This is kind of what trading is about. You gotta be patient. You gotta, and that's the tough part about it. Sometimes being patient and trying to get a play at the same time is very, very counteracting, because it's like when you start losing patience, you start just trying to get into play. And I've, especially lately, been really good at fighting that urge. If there ain't no play to be made, there ain't no play to be made. It is what it is. Sometimes I felt like I wanted to just hit a trade for my stream, but let's be honest, I've had times where I've done that and it just never worked out good. And yeah. Oh my god. Yo, just you explaining it, bro, I can already understand kind of what you're talking about. Like, when you're trying to make the connection, bro, that fucking thing just spun around like this and fucking fucking almost knocked you out. That's scary shit right there, buddy. That's some scary fucking shit. Jesus Christ. Yeah, so Golden, if you don't know, bro, Golden, Paul, he's another homie that I know in real life. He's a really good dude. He trades. But right now he is on the oil rig though, pretty much too. He's oil rigging, and when he has time, he'll go ahead and hit trades. But yeah, my guy is he's working hard. I will say that. And them connections, bro, they look intense, bro. They definitely look like they'll fuck you up if you don't get that shit right. This nigga said the human instincts. He's dumb as hell for that. Oh. Hey, that nigga had spidey senses. Oh, thank God. I'm not gonna lie, we got 11 minutes. I'm actually happy as fuck. Here soon we should be able to get in a play that I'm confident with. You know what I'm saying? If it goes in drawdown, does its thing, we'll 50%, we'll manage risk, but either way, definitely looking to enter this sell position here soon. We got 11 minutes till the candle closes. It will be New York Stock Exchange open, so we should have some good volume. As of right now, we still got bearish 4-hour bearish dailies. That's exactly what we need, exactly what we want. Obviously, the lower time frame gave us those, you know, bullish confirmations, but with the higher time frame in mind, once you look at the 4-hour being this previous one, especially, this is the new one, this is the 8 o'clock one, this is the one at 4 a.m. This candle, when I was looking at here at 7 a.m., this candle was bearish. They gave me the bearish bias, so I'm looking for sells, right? Same thing, my daily, it's bearish. So at this point, I'm looking for sells. If I'm on the lower time frame, I gotta wait until I can hit a sell. Just because the 4-hour and the daily is bearish doesn't mean, oh, I'm just gonna hit a sell wherever. No, now that I understand the 4-hour and the daily is bearish, it's now time for me to go to the lower time frame, focus in and dial it in and figure out when is the right time to hit that sell. I think in about 10 minutes here, if we're able to close how it's closing now, it is that right time to hit the sell position for us to be able to retest these lows. I'm just gonna be patient for it right now though. I'm so dead. Hey, hey. So Paul and Brandon, if you didn't know, this dude Golden, right? He would always be like, "Good evening, mate." He'd always tell me that. He goes, "Good evening, mate," and right. And so like in my head, that's how I read it. To be honest, like when he'd be like, "Top of the morning, mate." You know what I'm saying? Like I would read it like a British guy in my head, right? So for the longest time, dog, I'm like, oh, bro, you know what I'm saying? Whenever I would get, you know what I'm saying, we keep doing good, you know what I'm saying? We get ourselves in a situation where, you know, we're more financially free. You know what I'm saying? I'm taking a trip out to UK. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to meet my boy Golden. And he ended up telling me he's from fucking India. I was like, what the fuck? I was like, what the fuck? And he had me tripping because the whole time I'm thinking he's like, you know, United Kingdom mate. You know what I'm saying? But he's actually like a buddy. You know what I'm saying? So I was like, he the buddy. I was like, what? This shit had me so confused. I was like, he's the buddy, bro. I was like, damn. I was like, he from India? Don't be fooled by my accents. He's not lying. Bro, y'all be having some crazy ass emojis. Or at least Brandon. I don't even know how you make those. Body. Dumb as hell. Nah, but on God, on everything, bro, much love to everybody. You know what I'm saying? No disrespect. On accents, nothing like that. I don't ever come off like that, you feel me? But either way, it's just funny as fuck. That shit, in a respectful manner, that shit funny as fuck. Ooh, Babytron. I know, I wish I could slap some music, but I get hit with copyright. Damn, with these new Bose headsets, that fucking bring. I heard sounds I never heard before. That shit sound wild. Disrespectfully, he says. 115, that's crazy as hell. That's a tight stop loss. So guys, we could have it's going to be kind of a regressive stop loss here. Stops are going to be about like 15 pips. We got to take profit about 30. And it's a realistic take profit too. Like, I'm not going to lie, I'm pretty excited about this trade here, guys. Pretty excited about this. It's time to lock it in though. It's time to really get focused and not be too distracted. We got 6 minutes up until this candle closes, so start breaking this down a little bit more. Yeah, so this is actually looking really good. It's looking really good. So pretty much at the bottom of this candle, I do got to be relatively worried. There's not too much, so it is lower time frame, so it's going to be a little bit weaker, obviously. But at the same time, we do got to be a little bit, careful. If it is my 1-to-1, I'm going to make sure I take some profits there because it could start retracing back up. There's just a potential that could happen around this area, around this price level, 1950.50. 1950.50. That sounded crazy. 5 minutes, guys. I think it's time for me to take a BR. I ain't gonna lie. I don't even know why, but I know some people might not know this, but some people may. But I don't know why when I say I'm about to take a BR, for some reason I thought about that song Irie from fucking Ty Dolla $ign. I'm Irie. I don't even know why I thought about that shit. The classic music. Feeling good, guys. Feeling good. It's like I look back up. It's 100% bullish. How to go? Just cop the G-Wagon, bro. Yeah, that's fire as fuck. He probably got it for his wife too. The dude has like fucking already like 2 or 3 lit ass cars. I'm sure he got a Porsche Cayenne for his wife. That'd be fucking badass. That bitch is fast as fuck. Bro, honestly, I really feel like, and truthfully speaking, how Raha Banks took his moving from Canada to Pakistan, bro, honestly, bro, is like super inspirational, to be honest. Hey, but it's all good, man. Within time, within time we'll get it. But yeah, Golden, bro, fuck, dude, like, what's it called? Seeing him go from Canada to Pakistan, bro, and see how he's able to, like, so he, like, obviously I'm sure you've seen, but like how he's made his house, bro, like fixing his like garage, his patio, like the inside of his house, his living room, like all that shit, bro, is so inspirational, bro, because it's all done pretty much through trading, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, he's able to feel so, obviously he's got other businesses. He got Magic Keys. He has his own Forex brokerage, right? I mean, those are all things that are helping too. But regardless, though, this all was like funded around his trading, and everything like that is just very impressive to see, because I mean, Canada, obviously first world country, right? You know, I think of Pakistan's third world country. It obviously is, but it's not like you can't still live there and be like, you know what I'm saying? I feel like he gave me just he opened the light to my eyes, being like, you could literally go anywhere. Like even if it may be a third world country and it's all like could be like maybe in some turmoil. Not even that Pakistan's in turmoil. I'm not even saying that. But what I mean is like, you know what I'm saying? Even if it may be that way, like, you know what I'm saying? You still can, like, live in those countries and, like, do what you got to do and be 100% fine, bro, and, like, not give a fuck about what the media says. Because the media always going to say everything. You know what I'm saying? The media make it look like, seem like you're going to go to fucking Mexico and get snatched by the cartels the second you go there. But, you know what I'm saying? That's not necessarily the case at all. It's just, like, the media, I feel like, would kind of scare you in a sense. And I feel like seeing Rahab Banks go from Canada to moving to Pakistan for his children, so his children don't look at him as, oh, he's wealthy, he's in a super nice neighborhood, you know, and they feel some type of way, you know. He went to Pakistan to show his kids that even though he is, you know, much more wealthy now, but he wants to show that this is how other people live, this is how the world is, you know what I'm saying? And so they're not so, what's it called, stuck up, you know what I'm saying? And I think it's very impressive. It's super, super, like, it's really cool, honestly. That's all I gotta say about it. It definitely opened my eyes, I'll say that. I can't lie, with this 830 coming in, if it does close bullish like this, guys, obviously we are not gonna enter that position. We're just gonna hold. So, let's see. So it's looking decent, right? Give myself a little bit more leeway. Well, this is interesting. We got 20 seconds, so this is actually pretty intense. I mean, we're like in between buying and or not buying, but not getting in the position, getting in the position from how little this candle is. We got 10 seconds. I really kind of hope it goes bearish. Nah, it didn't. It didn't. So it closed bullish, so I'm staying away still. Definitely staying away, guys. I'm not gonna enter right now. If the play does end up melting down and going right to the fucking take profit, it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? I gotta make sure that I'm taking positions that I'm confident on, and at this point, I'm not confident in it. If I took a loss here, I would feel like if I entered that in hopes that it was gonna hit those levels, if this actually makes me hit my stop loss, I'd feel like an idiot. Because I'd be like, I know this didn't close like I wanted it to, and since it didn't, I still entered off of like FOMO or something. That's why I didn't do it. Silly, plain and simple, right? Take a look at pound yen. So now pound yen with this new opening of the candle is now starting to close below. This is now 830. We'll have the daily support here before pushing to create low. So now we got pound yen coming down, which is kind of interesting and coming down quite quickly. This just in the first 2 minutes now, this candle has now dropped below and is trading below the support level. So now that it's trading below support level, you know, it gives us a good idea. But you know, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 major rejections in this area, all due to this minor resistance here. And so, you know, you want to look to see for a nice engulfing bearish candle like this below support. Could get you a play at this point. It's good to be patient, even though this is New York open, a lot of volume and close below. Just good thing we didn't enter it, right? The fucking the range is too small, and it just didn't give us a good opportunity. It may present a good opportunity coming here next, here soon. With gold, I'm still got it in the back of my head, guys, 100%. If we end up closing bearish here, I definitely want to make this sell. I'm more focused on gold personally, even though it is a bank holiday. I feel like it's just moving a little bit better. But yeah, I'm just holding to my bearish analysis and waiting for the right entry, you know. Just gotta wait for that right entry. So maybe we can get that retracement like I was waiting for, like right around here. It might be around 9 a.m., you know. But if we got to be patient, we got to be patient. I am going to say, though, I would call it 100% 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock, if literally I have nothing and nothing's going on, I got to call it by that point. Because at 11 o'clock, you know, obviously New York is still open throughout the day, but then again, it's also going to be the London close. London close does give us good volume, but at the same time, be on the stream for quite some time at that point. And I feel like within that time, we'll be able to find a nice play here, but it's good to just be patient. Yeah, pound yen's coming in nicely. But oh yeah, I want to check out that thing Golden said. You bring up a really good point on the daily levels. Yeah, we could get a nice drop. Yeah, guys, I think we might actually get the play we're waiting for. It's actually be cool to catch on stream because there's multiple times where I definitely thought the candle was going to close bearish and it didn't end up doing that. And being patient, it's actually like falling more and more into my analysis. Does support 1948.26. Let me take a look at that. Yeah, because Loki, I didn't actually see where you were talking about, but I was trying to see because obviously this is the daily. I'm trying to see where it's. Oh, I see what you're talking about. It's got to be this. I'd have met. Daily support is at 1948.26. On that June 6th. I think we may have like one of those brokerage things, you know, like the brokers kind of have like the different before the support form that June 6th. Yeah, bro, my bad, my bad. Send me a screenshot. Pretty sure we're just friends on Discord. You can always send it on that Discord. Are we friends on Discord? Let me send you. Add friend nickname. So you're my friend. I'm pretty sure you could just send it to me personally. Yeah, I sent it through Discord, bro. I'd love to see that. Because for some reason I'm having trouble finding it, bro. I don't know why. I just realized this man changed this shit. Here we go. Oh, I see what you're talking about now. Yeah, it came down right at the body candle. This tapped this area, this level here, the 1948, like you were explaining, and now has retraced back up. I see what you're talking about. Let's see. We have the same broker too. That's weird as hell. I don't know why I couldn't find it daily. Huh. Right there. Okay. Let me take a look. Right here. Oh, June 5th. I'm looking at June 6th. Oh, I see exactly what you're talking about. Yeah, I see that now. Right here. Yeah, I respected this level. It's not gonna respect it for so long though. I feel like it's gonna break past. We just gotta wait though. I'm waiting for that 30-minute. Here soon, this candle will flip. It's it's dying out. It just looks like it's dying out. Very solid move though. Solid move to the top side. I would like to see if there was a potential I could have tried to catch it somehow, and it had to have been on the 15-minute. No other option. You'd have had to have a confident position right here. But you'd have to been real confident though, because there's no wick at the top. Akasha Benia, bro, it's good to see you, bro. What's cracking, Akasha? Daily is in a range at the moment. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, bro. I like hearing new people, bro. Just giving comments, just saying hello, bro. Simple like that. It's always nice. It's always nice. Hella good to see you guys. Yeah, Daily is in a range at the moment. Yeah, dude, you're right about that. It is in a range. It's kind of tricky right now. But I will say, the 7 o'clock right there, that 7 o'clock 15-minute would have definitely been a nice entry. 100%. Definitely risky though. You would have had some balls on you. Cause like the most realistic take profit is like not even 10 pips, and you'd have a stop loss of 22 pips. But it would have easily made up for itself, because obviously so far the play has been about 30 plus pips. So it'd have been a fire position, but it's still in the moment it would be hard to catch this play, to be honest. Like if you didn't have this pre like scene, like you would just be like, okay, the highest I could maybe go for a realistic take profit would be like 12 pips, right? But when you have a 12 pip take profit and your freaking stop loss is 22 pips, makes it difficult. Yeah, Akasha, I'm not exactly sure I understand fully what you mean, bro, but you know, it's right now we are waiting. We're just being patient right now. I would like to see a candle form bearish and give us a retracement play here, but it's just definitely being patient. Hey, Space Joe, man, more power to you, my guy. Definitely good play, good play. I like to hear it. That man, Space Joe. Now we got, it's definitely respecting here. Giving a little bit of support. Got 3 hours in the candle, plenty of time. Daily still bearish, but it has tapped this level here and has now rejected. So definitely interesting to take a look and see at that, you know. There's a key level right there. And that was helped seen by me through what's it called? Through Golden. That was a good analysis there. Yeah, man, it does seem it's very interesting. Yeah, a lot of people are tuning in today. A lot more people, a lot more new people. It's good to see you guys. 100%. And to everybody that is new, this is my boy Golden right here, man. He's been tuning in like all the time. And same with my boy Witty Wicks. You know, he's been tapping in quite a bit. Almost every day for real, you know what I'm saying? And just big appreciation to them. I feel like they make it they kind of break the ice to let other people kind of you know, talk a bit more. Yeah, right now, so my bias on gold right now, I'm waiting for a retracement play here. I'm waiting for a bearish candle to form so I can go ahead and take a sell position. My bias is more bearish, but at the same time, I can clearly see we have formed a nice support. It is respecting support and going up. At this point, it's too late for me to enter the play. So since it's too late, I'm going to be patient and wait for the bearish candle to go ahead and make it happen. We'll see. The way is up. Let's see. My boy Benny Hunter, I sold the price of 1951. Should I keep it? Honestly, bro, do what's best for you, bro. Make sure you just, you know, I can't give you 100% advice on that. It's all up to you on that, buddy, honestly. I don't know the position you're in or anything like that, so I can't necessarily speak on that, my guy. Just make sure you're risking lower than 3%. You know what I'm saying? On your position. You know, you don't want to do anything over the top. Oh, yeah. GJ too. Let's see. It's very interesting. It has blown up. GJ is actually bearish. It has melted quite a bit now. This candle has been performed actually quite crazy. So we're actually reaching this level here, which is what I've been expecting. Yeah, 100%. Gold is trading bullish at the moment. Still just being patient. Lamb, oh my goodness, it's good to see you, bro. So if you guys don't know Lem, he's here on the swing trades here. So I got his little section here. He's able to tap in and post. And yep, that's my guy right there. So in the comment section, that guy Lem is this same guy right here. It's my boy right here. Doing his thing. Very nice, very nice. So everything right here looks beautiful. So like I said, guys, we're just trying to keep pushing and become profitable traders, you know? This is what I like to see, you know? We got my boy Golden here with his analysis and stuff like that too. Very beautiful. We as well put the positions that we take as well. Yeah, bro, 100%. Yeah, straight up. Yeah, it's lit. It's lit to have the community, bro. For real. It feel good. try and just take this stuff more and more serious each time as we go. Yeah, my boy Space Joe, he's probably really feeling profitable today, most definitely. Because if anybody did end up catching these support plays, I'm telling you right now, woo, very nice, very nice. Oh yeah, I know, huh? Yeah, I'm right here in the corner. It's all dark. But yeah, guys, honestly, I'm really liking how this is forming out. It's forming out perfectly how I envisioned in my head. I feel like here soon we could get a bearish candle and have a very nice sell position. But at the moment, it has required quite a bit of patience, a little bit more than I like to, honestly. A lot of times I like to get my positions and be able to be in and out relatively quick. You know what I'm saying? Be off the charts by at least 9 o'clock. But unfortunately today has been very, very waiting, patient game so far. So it's been not too exciting, I guess I can say that. You know, so obviously more exciting when I'm in a position. But at the end of the day, it's going okay so far, you know? We're saving capital, you know? What's going on? What's going on, Lim? From the Mo. Guys, sitting on our hands right now, for real. Sitting on our hands. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, 100%. That's my boy right there. That's my boy Bees right there. He's cooling. We've been chopping it up. That's Brandon. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's Brandon. Same dude. Same dude. He said, "Who is Bees?" My bad. I didn't even read that. I didn't even see that. That's Brandon, bro. Hey, you should have seen him earlier when he first joined. It was like formal as formal could be. He had his first and his last name on here. I thought it was funny because I saw him change it on the thing. This dude, Brandon. Something else. Yeah, bro. Hey, Space Joe. Nice fucking trade, bro. Nice fucking trade. It's pushing very nicely for you, dog. It may even could push even further. You know, it could push past this support, but this is an area definitely, you know, consider taking profits or at least taking some off and, you know what I'm saying, making your trade risk free. You know, you don't want to be risking those profits there because 100% it's looking very nice. Yeah, bro, Space Joe, it's really good to meet you too, bro, 100%. And also, nice trade today, bro. Straight up, if you caught the buys, I'm not too sure where your entry is, but wherever it is, bro, I'm sure it's obviously in nice profits at this point. You know what I'm saying? More power to you, my guy, for real. Good shit. I definitely consider taking buys, but I just refrain from it. But everybody has their own reasons. At the end of the day, it's just very good to see that my guys are winning today, you know? Yes, sir. Hey, Lim, you take it easy, my boy. I understand that 100%. I've been on the stream a little long, actually. Usually by about 9 o'clock, I can end the stream. I usually kind of get my positions in pre-New York, but we now have moved into New York session fully. So I'm trading New York session at the moment, and just still being a little bit patient. Yeah, Forex forming a support now at this point. Very nice so far. We still got 3 hours, so it's like a lot can happen within 3 hours. But as of right now, it's very, very bullish. Obviously, due to those lower time frames as well. Daily has rejected off that support right there. Tapped that support and now rejected. Something I can always take in for the future, you know? Even though this candle is very, very bearish, knowing that it could tap this daily support and reject like that could give me a better confluence to take buy positions or have a better buy bias, right? But everything's a learning process, so I'm just taking it as it comes, you know, and learning. But it's good to learn like this. This is actually learning, watching these candles print like this as well. Hey, bro, nice, 100%. Yes, sir. Yeah, Space Joe easily could. That next one could even push even further up. Do its thing, bro. Straight up. But Space Joe, really good meeting you though, bro. 100%. For real, for real. Oh man, this dude B, man, stupid. So they call this ting. That shit's gotta be the funniest thing, I'm not gonna lie. The funniest British slang is fucking ting. When they call their girls tings, that shit is hilarious. I could never take someone serious. Yes, yeah, Space Joe, I do. So Monday through Friday, I'm live generally about 7 a.m. to about 9 a.m. Central Time. Hey, look at that, Space Joe. He's looking beautiful right there, buddy. And I do come here live though, Space Joe, Monday through Friday, and I show all my profits and all my losses. You know, I'm trying to be transparent. I know that it could come with some things, you know, like, you know, obviously it's just like, you know, it doesn't feel good when you're going live and you may take some losses in a row or a losing streak. But at the end of the day, I am an amateur trader, Space Joe, and I'm trying to do what I can to show what an amateur trader needs to do to become a professional trader. I'm just trying to gain these consistent habits. So for me to gain these consistent habits and have an audience on the side that as well trades and has good information, good inputs, and we're all on the same path of trying to become successful, you know, I think we can become a very powerful group. You know, for me, I want to show out and give and show through my actions, you know, very positive mindset and regarding to, like, you know, if someone, for instance, like Space Joe, I have a bearish relative mindset for the sell position I'm waiting for. But since he's in this buy, the buys have clearly worked out beautifully. I haven't entered them for certain reasons, but that doesn't matter. He saw the play. He made his trade on his own. That's the beautiful thing. That's the most important thing, is all doing it through your own analysis. Because if you're traveling somewhere, doing anything, the only person that's going to make that trade is you. So it's like, I feel like seeing that, it's always very, very nice. It's very, very beautiful. So I just want to give that out there, that I'm not someone that's going to be, oh, he's in a buy position, I hope this goes this way, or you know what I'm saying, vice versa. You know what I mean? Like, there's no bad vibes in this shit. It's more just let's focus in. If you focus in, get your analysis, act on your analysis, execute on it. Whether you win or lose, it truly, like, obviously it matters to be obviously more correct, but at the end of the day, it's like if we're losing, we get to learn from that. And if we're not blowing our accounts, and I'm showing that it only takes like I risk 3% daily, but oftentimes I only risk 1.5% only because I take 1 to 2 trades a day. So I have dynamic risk. I don't just risk everything in one position. I have two. So it's kind of how I perform this, you know? I just take 1 to 2 trades every day. But hey, Space Joe, bro, nice trade though, bro. At the end of the day, that's all I gotta say, bro. That shit did push up like a mug, bro. Ever since 7 a.m., bro. Ever since New York Open, bro. Honestly, been going crazy. This position though now, obviously it's flipping. It's obviously turning. It's quite interesting. Stop losses are gonna have to be big if it doesn't closing, but we have to be patient here. I'm not gonna enter if it's a light bullish candle. I have to be patient. But yeah, Space Joe, bro, I appreciate you saying something too. And everybody that's new here, bro, I 100% appreciate you guys tapping in, saying hello, XYZ. It really makes me feel good. Um, it makes me good knowing that I have you guys there, you know? So yeah, stops are going to be much bigger now. If this does close, we got 45 seconds, so we'll see how it goes. We got a realistic 40 pip take profit, realistic. And stop losses are going to be they're going to be decently big. Not too big though, honestly. But we got to see. Got 30 seconds on the candle. If this candle does flip bullish, fuck no, I'm not taking it. Just like that. No cap, I ain't, fuck that. I'm not doing it. And right now it's very volatile. This candle was very bullish and now flipped. So it's this is a strong level here. You know, we got to be careful. So just to enact for spread, I want to consider spread. So 18 pips is fine. I'll have that as so 2 seconds. Enter the trade. So I honestly can take profit here at 14 pips. It's definitely kind of interesting here. I'm gonna go ahead and put the position down here on yeah, it's a risky position there, I can't lie. Risky position. Gotta make sure I'm ready here to take profit. So once we have 14 pips, guys, I'm closing half so I can secure most of the position. Good deal, Space Joe. Just being patient right now is a little interesting. Getting close to taking profit here. Taking profit there. I closed half at this point, guys. I don't want to go break even just yet. Actually, I'm going break even. Fuck that. Alright, I'm going break even, to be honest. I just want to have good risk management. If it ends up going against me, fuck it, is what it is. But I do want to just hold this position out. Okay, so if I was to explain why I took the sell, buddy, this whole morning, so sorry about that. I have been relatively bad with putting my analysis down here. It's just really bare, right? But so my analysis here was formed through how when I entered or when I came into the stream at 7 a.m. my 4-hour, this candle right here was bearish, right? So I had a bearish mindset already. 4 hours bearish, much stronger than our lower time frames. Our daily candle as well is bearish, right? My boy Golden gave a great point and told us that it tapped into a daily level, and which it did. This candle tapped the daily level here. As soon as it tapped the daily level, it started rejecting, which gave us a perfect mindset for a retracement play, for a retracement sell position, right? This also helped us because when I look at my 30-minute and my lower time frames, we formed a very, very bullish 30-minute candle. I didn't enter this position because I was looking at the 30-minute candles. It did close above this resistance, but at the end of the day, the position was far, like my stop loss would be way too big for the take profit to be way too small. At that point, to me, it's not worth it. So I didn't enter. So I was patient. The position was already in motion. I couldn't do anything about it. You know, at this point, I'm too late. The only time I could have caught this play is if I entered at 7:15, which would have been risky. So I told myself I'll be patient. I'll wait for it to retest this high and start rejecting this area right here. This is a key level here. 1953.29 was a very key level. It tapped it and instantly rejected. Okay. So at this point, I'm waiting for a confirmation of a 30-minute candle. We ended up getting that 30-minute candle, which was very, very beneficial to us to be able to get the entry. Without this 30-minute candle closing, I wouldn't have an entry because even though it tapped this level here, you would have to have some balls bigger than shit to fucking enter a sell position when the candle is bullish as fuck. Because in this moment, I told Space Joe, great job, because he had a beautiful position. He was in buys and it was pumping. And I had no idea. This could have kept going up, right? So patience is a virtue, right? You have to stay patient. My boy Space Joe, he ended up securing profits, which was a smart idea. I let him know as well a little bit before. Consider taking profits in this area. It's dangerous, right? It's a dangerous area, okay? It turned out to be a very dangerous area. It respected this level very much so. We got our entry right here. Stop losses had to be above this wick because at this point there already has been motion and the trading level has been in this area. So there's a very good chance we're in drawdown, you know what I'm saying, in between this area. So stop losses have to be above this 30-minute wick. That means if we have a stop loss, you know, however big this is, we have to have a take profit that makes sense, right? So the take profit, I know this is all fucked up because I just wasn't paying attention, but this would be where I have my take profit. This is a realistic take profit in regards to it's already been a level recently tested. This is a support level that was just hit. We have a good chance of end up hitting that full take profit, you know, and honestly, that's what it basically was. It's just a classic retracement play. We have a big push down to the downside, breaking all this consolidation here, right? It's bound to retest this area right here, and luckily it did, right? So at this point we're chilling risk free, right? So far the position's gone okay. It's gone okay so far. You know, good thing I could have taken full profit, but personally I do want to hold this position. I gotta get better at holding positions, and I'm trying to get better at it. It could bite me in the ass, to be honest, but it's a Monday. And the way I'm thinking of it, even if this is like half of profit or like not my full profit, not the full 1.5%. And the reason why it's not my full 1.5% is because it hit my 1-to-1 was 14 pips. It went 14 pips. I didn't close full. I only closed half. So obviously that's half of that position. So it's obviously not the best, but I knew that this position could have a very good chance to keep pushing down for us, and I want to hold it for that reason. But a safe way for me to hold that is if I just go break even like I am now, close half, at least have some profits. And if it ends up hitting my stop loss at break even, that is what it is, but it's Monday. So since it's Monday, fuck it. It's not a big deal. We have Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday to make trades. You know, it's best that I can see if I can maximize the profits and take this 1.5% position and potentially make 2% or 2.5%. You know, that's kind of the idea behind it. And that's kind of how I'm trying to stay profitable. But yeah, so far the position is just going decent so far. Nothing crazy. Thankfully, we were able to get that 1-to-1. I could have easily closed that 1-to-1, but in the end of the day, we still have the opportunity again here as well. If we go 14 pips, I just got to close full. And also, Space Joe, the reason why I am break even at this point is because I could have secured my 1-to-1. And the reason why is because I had a 14 pip, a very aggressive 14 pip stop loss. That stop loss is super aggressive because it's super tight. 14 pip stop loss can get hit within like a second on gold. I'm sure you understand that because you know how volatile gold is. But with that being said, I just got to make sure that at that point I start thinking about I got to be sure I'm risk free, because I could close half. I could keep my stop loss where it is. It could give me a better opportunity to get the full play. But just in case we do start trading above, because I can't tell the future. As much as this looks good and I feel like we are going to hit this, I feel like the probability is more in the favor of retesting this low. There's still a good chance it comes back up, you know? And that's why when you're in your position, I'm 100%, bro, that's beautiful. That buy, and bro, today for you already, bro, that's already beautiful. 2 positions have been profitable for you, you know? So more power to you, bro. It's been great. It's been great. But yeah, so far just chilling right now, guys. Definitely interesting for sure. And this area is going to be a little interesting. It's actually my account. This is actually my hard-earned money. Yeah. So I've been having recent troubles. Like I hit 1500 this last, I say 2 weeks ago. I had a rough week. 2 weeks ago, took some, you know, I took double trades, lost my 3% within that day. Really couldn't do much about it. As soon as I entered, the position went straight to my stop loss. It was just like, it was what it was, right? The next week I came back, definitely managed my losses much better and profited better in that week of last week. But it's funny because 2 weeks ago, I was pretty much around like, you know, 1500. Unfortunately, that week ended up bringing me down like 1380 low key, you know, not terrible, right? We still got our account. Everything's all in line, right? But the consistency wasn't there that week. And it shows how important consistency is. And the next week I was able to come back, make it better. I'm, you know, cooling around 1400, looking to get past 1500 and keep increasing my account from then. You know, I'm trying to at least, basically I want to get to about 3000. I'm trying to put a time on it. I would like to get about 3,000, maybe within about 2 or 3 months. But I can't necessarily put a time on it. I just got to make sure I'm consistent. I got to make sure I'm disciplined. I come to the charts every day. I enter trades off logic and analysis. I don't enter trades off fear, you know, because that's just never going to make you learn. So anytime I enter a trade, it's off logic and an analysis. And if I stay disciplined like this, the money will become a byproduct. It'll eventually come my way. But until then, it's just about getting these habits down, waking up every day. For me, I have to wake up in the morning. I don't know where you're from, Space Joe, but I'm from Kansas City, Missouri. So I'm Central Time. So for me, the New York session is early in the morning. I got my boy Golden here. He's from India, and he's got he can trade London session and New York session pretty much in the afternoon time. So it's actually super cool for his time too, and also super cool for, you know, traveling purposes. You know, like for instance, people from England, they're trading New York session at 2 p.m. They can have a whole morning workout, you know, exercise. Then after their exercise and working out, you can come to the charts at 2 p.m. and start trading. You know what I'm saying? It's pretty nice. It's really cool. But yeah, this is my account. Nothing crazy, bro. Like $1,400, bro. So it's like really nothing at all, really. But yeah, bro, great shit, bro. Yeah, I love to hear it, bro. I love to hear where you guys are from too, man. It's very interesting. From Nigeria. Yeah, bro, that's beautiful, dog. I love to hear that. So for me, I'm not self-employed entirely. I do this right now currently, but I do have a job that I do have as a butcher. So I'm a butcher, and it's pretty nice. I like it a lot. It treats me really good, and it allows me to have good trading time. So I'm really blessed, you know. I definitely got to thank my job at that point. And yeah, life is kind of crazy. So guys, honestly, I'm looking to probably close full within this area here, most likely, because I don't know. We could keep coming down 100%, but I don't know. I probably was like, it's Monday. I want to take full profit. If this hits this area and comes back up, I at least want to, you know, fucking take profit on that. Hey, that's my boy Teddy Peas. That's my boy. Hey, man, enjoy your day too, brother. Good hearing from you, bro. Last night I passed out really early, bro. Ended up not getting back to the text message, bro. My apologies, bro. But hey, my boy Teddy Peas, bro. Oh man, super good to see you, bro. Makes me happy as fuck. Makes me happy as fuck. So Space Joe, anybody else, that boy Tanny Peas, that's my homie in real life, man. God love him, man. He's about to have a kid. God bless. You know? Shit. So it's definitely good, man. A lot of people tuning into the stream today. It seems really cool. Definitely like how this is turning out. A few new faces today. We got Space Joe, my boy Lem tapped in today. Akasha Benia, good to see him. My boy Paul tapped in. Brandon's here. I love to see it. Zoom Tech, that's who it was. He follows me as well. I gotta get back to him. I gotta send him the Discord. He wants to get in the Discord. Zoom Tech. So Zoom Tech, I appreciate you, buddy. I definitely remember you tapping in. So great to see you. Yeah, guys. Oof. Yeah, I'll probably look to just close once it hits that area, honestly. I almost want to close now, though, personally. Not now, because obviously I'm not even one-to-one. Yeah, guys, honestly, so personally, I think once we hit about 14 pips again, I'm probably going to end up closing full. It's like my inner thoughts are kind of getting to my head a little bit, and my inner thoughts are just telling me to take profit here once I hit 14 pips again. Oh, I just saw it. I got to make sure. All right, that's cool. I'm cool with that. It is what it is. We hit our one-to-one today, guys. So nothing crazy, right? We didn't get this whole move. Ended up securing the one-to-one, and I'm happy with that personally. But it is getting late in the afternoon, and with that being said, I will go ahead, most likely close this stream here soon. Looking for my pricing. It's kind of weird. I think my position's off. Let's see. Where did I enter? It's all good. Well, guys, Golden, thank you so much, bro, for tapping in today. Tanny P, Space Joe, Beige, my boy Paul, Lim, appreciate you, bro. Just gonna make sure I say your name right, buddy. Akasha, bro, good to see you, dog. And Zoomtech, bro, I'm gonna go ahead and respond to your DM, bro, and get you into this Discord. I'd love to see your analysis and posting your trades. It's gonna be great to see that. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this stream today. Everybody, I'll be back tomorrow morning, 7 a.m. Central Time. See you guys then. Have a great day. Peace out, guys.